Welcome to a simple demonstration how to use our exclusive SQR filter maintenance reporting system. Developed to assist and identify when filters have been exhausted, we are excited to announce a very friendly, easy to use application that automatically reports when filter maintenance is needed. On side of each RODI system purchased is a unique query code. Once opened, useful information specific to your system will appear. Videos, manuals, diagnosing, support, and a unique filter maintenance program that will log and timestamp filter parameters each time rounds and readings have been completed. This way, when individual filters have been exhausted, you can easily be reminded remotely or locally. We take pride in your investment and hope that this mobile-friendly application provides you years of convenience at your fingertips with relevant information. Let's take a look inside. Hold your phone camera up to the query code located on side of the RODI unit. Once your code has been scanned, you will see all units available to take rounds and readings. You can view or download manuals for each individual RODI unit. Ordering filters has never been easier. Simply enter the filter quantity and hit submit. We will be in contact with you within 24 hours. You can also enter a support ticket if you need assistance. Put a short description of the problem you are having along with the picture and we will be in contact with you within 24 hours. If you would like to simply take rounds and readings, push the scan QR code and put it up to the QR code one more time, and a unique portal will be populated specifically to that unit. If the unit is running, all the cells will be red. If the unit is not running, unclick the unit running and several cells will be grayed out. Only the cells in red will need to be completed prior to saving. If you need additional assistance, we have an archive of videos on the top left-hand side of the portal. Thank you for your time learning about our exclusive filter maintenance reporting system.